This clean was for a client who was just getting ready to move out. He did hire me to clean the entire place, but most of my time was spent on the bathrooms. The first thing I did was take a piece of toilet paper and just wipe down any dust and loose dirt. There was black mold on the toilet seat and in the toilet bowl. I went in with a wet disinfecting wipe, and I also used this in the bowl just because I didn't feel like dirtying my scrub brush too much. And after scrubbing, there was still this hard stain, so I used some barkeeper's friend and it got it right off. I then moved on to clean the 2 sinks. This first sink wasn't draining properly and it was really slow, but after cleaning out the drain, it was running much better. Barkeeper's friend came in handy again before I moved on to the bathtub. This is all soap scum and shampoo buildup, but it was pretty easy to remove. Honestly, the hardest part of this was getting the dust and the hair off of the walls because it's pretty sticky and hard to remove. And it still wasn't quite clean, so I took some barkeeper's friend again and did some scrubbing here to remove the rest of the soap scum. You can see that there was a lot here. I vacuumed and mopped as per usual, and here's the final result. I think it looks much better, and I'm so glad I could help this client out so that he hopefully gets his damage deposit back.